engineering and engineers make things, and they make things work, and they make things work better. We live in a world which we've largely engineered. So engineering is about using your creativity to design solutions to the world's problems and making all our lives better. I think this is a really exciting time in electronic engineering. We have a convergence of a number of different technologies coming together. First, we have the so-called Internet of Things, and this is about having lots of devices which measure things and communicate. So we can think of obviously smartwatches, which we all wear, which monitor our health, our phones. We can have smart homes with heating and security systems. We have systems for tracking food and other items for quality control, inventory and delivery. And one of the things that follows on is that we can have lots of these devices talking to each other. And this enables swarm behavior, where you have electronic systems mimicking biological systems such as answer bees. In electronic engineering at Aston, we have a strong focus on optical and wireless communication research. And this is about enabling the next generation of connected items. More and more now, our industry, transport, environment and our communications rely on electronics. And with a degree in electrical and electronic engineering, you can easily find well-paid work in all those types of sectors, in aerospace, automotive, energy, IT, telecommunications. I would say in terms of studying as well, that when students get onto their final year and they do major projects, they can focus on things that interest them as well. An example, fairly recently, is a student who had an interest in audio amplifiers, and he did a really good project designing, building and testing a very high performance amplifier, and then went on to get a job working for a company which makes high-level audio systems. Also, you get to design and build things that can make a difference in the world. I really like learning and applying new ideas myself, and that's why I'm a professional engineer and also why I'm an academic. For both of those, you have to keep on learning new things all the time, whether it's using a new technique in your research or developing new teaching material. I first got interested in engineering, or perhaps when I was very young, and I started when I came across some old vacuum valve televisions, and I took them to bits to see how they worked. Well, really, I didn't know how they worked, and I couldn't put them together again, but I got an interest into how to make things work. I guess professionally, I started in electronic engineering when I just did a laser physics PhD, and as a large part of that, I had to build electronic and optical instruments to measure ultra-short pulses. These are pulses that are a millionth of a second long or less.